What if a simple band on your wrist can monitor your health, sleep, and sends emergency alerts with your live location when your life is in danger? Today, I will show you my smart life band project, an IoT-based smart wearable system which I built for Circuit Digest Smart Home and Wearable Competition, proudly sponsored by DigiKey. Health emergency doesn't come with warnings. Elderly people, patients, and normal individuals may face sudden health issues, situations where they cannot call for help, and most of the wearable devices are mainly focused on fitness. So I ask one question: why not we combine health, sleep, and safety into one smart band? In which I have used ESP32, MPU6050, the heart and SpO₂ monitor sensor, and an OLED display. So all these sensors communicate using I2C protocol, which reduce wiring complexity. So when I click my finger on it, shows the BPM, which are beats per minute, SpO₂, movement, stress, sleep, and SOS button. ESP32 is connected to my Wi-Fi. This ESP sends both the sensors data on the Firebase Fire Store. Using this, I also hosted my website. Now the main part of this is to send message. So when I click this button, an SOS alert will be sent. Website is still here, and also the data is stored in Firebase Firestore with the location. And this is my full project for smart band. Also, I have uploaded this project on my GitHub. So now I will explain you the code. So this is the SSID and the password. For Firebase, when you create your project, when you create your web app, Firebase will provide you API key, Firebase project ID, a user email, and a password, which you can also make directly in authentication. So I have this anonymous username. Also, I have created one username using my Gmail. Okay. And this is my smart band app script. Similarly, to fetch data from Firebase, you have to get the API key, authentication domain, and project ID. And this will take the access of your data, and also an SOS emergency number, which I have mentioned here. To update this rule part, when you create your project, to read and write the data when the request is authentication. This is how you can host. First, you need to install this. Then you need to log in your ID in Firebase, and then go to your app root init function. And then when you're ready, the HTML and JavaScript file should be present in the folder where you want to deploy your project or host your website. And then you will click Firebase deploy, and it will deploy the whole HTML and JavaScript, so you can access your hosted website from anywhere. And this is the link of your website when it will get deployed.